Greetings, Glitter Gang. We just finished the Pouch-A-Lope album, so I'm going to do a Pouch-A-Lope album flip through so we can take a look at all the different pages. This is the project from Scrappy Bowl, and this is part of a series that's probably something like 25-ish episodes long now. So this is the final flip through. So we've got our cover, there's our spine, our soft spine there. This cover I did use digital paper to make I manipulated it in Photoshop, and that is in a previous version of this. So we've got our pouches on the fronts and our envelopes on the back. So here is our first pouch. So we've got our little fashionistas back there. We have "You Are Beautiful," cute little tag, "Never forget how fabulous you are." On a deeper level, you're already complete. When you realize that, there's a playful, joyous energy behind what you do. We have, "If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life." And then this is a photo mat holder. And then we can stick all these goodies back in our pouch. Then we have our first of our spike and loop closures. This is the fashion spike and loop closure. Then we have our first envelope, "I will drink you under the table," with our tiny cup that we cut out. And then we have that flip open to give us a little journaling spot, and then it holds our photos in place, and we can just stick our photos right in here. And of course, if you wanted to add smaller photos at the top and bottom, that's available to you, room as well for more decorating. All right, then we have our second pouch. We'll just pull out our little goodies. So for this pouch element, we have the little frame with the slide up photo mat, and then the card underneath. The only BS I need is bags and shoes. Oh, and some craft supplies. So that holds 3x4 photo as well. And of course, you can put 4x6 photo mats in the pouches as well as in the envelopes if you want to. So I could give up shopping, but I'm no quitter. A grateful heart is the beginning of greatness. Glam Queen. And then we just have some little ephemeras there. Lots of fun elements in this collection to play with. Got our fashionista, another fashionista peeking out at us. And then another spike and loop closure. Coffee lover band. And then we have our coffee house, our dark roast. Another flip open for journaling. More room for photos. Put them there. And then the spike will hold it all closed. All right. Then we have another pouch with another insert. And there's tutorials for everything in this album because I did it all live on camera and I've recorded it all, and it's all in this YouTube playlist. So anything you're curious about how to make it is in the playlist. So we have "Beauty comes in all shapes and sizes: small, large, circle, square, thin crust, thick crust, stuffed crust, and extra toppings." And then room for photos inside. Then we've got "Cinderella is proof that a new pair of shoes can change your life." "No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart." And then the fashion icon and another one of those little bits of ephemera. All right, and then we have another spike closure, "Wake up and glow." How many of you glow instantly upon wake up? I don't think I glow first thing in the morning. All right, so we've got, this is one of my favorite flip outs that we have. I just love her. I think she turned out great. Little beautiful pattern paper behind it. Because we did these flip outs, we see so much of the pattern paper as well. So if you have a paper line where you really want to celebrate the paper and you don't want to cover anything up, this is a good format to use. All right. And then we have another pouch here. All right, and so the insert in here says the secret of happiness is not in doing what one likes, but in liking what one does. Then we've got a photo mat here and then room for a bunch of wallets. All right, room for a bunch of wallets here. All right, so lots of room for photos in here. Then we've got room for another photo here, another great embellishment from the collection. Place to do some journaling, and then happiness depends on ourselves. All right, then we've got more coffee on the back with another stick and loop closure. We've got our cute little envelope from the collection here with some cards that we've cut down into tags. And then we added some of the embellishments from the collection here, turned it into a pocket to slide photos behind. So there we go. Beautiful papers in this collection. This is Ladies Who Lunch by Paper Phenomenon. I've used both the digital and the printed in this, mostly the printed. I only used the digital a little bit. All right, and then our insert here is this photo mat, this fun diagonal photo mat. All right, so you've got 4x4 photo, 4x4 photo, and then a 4x6 photo. And then you could put another one on the back or some pattern paper, whatever you prefer. Then we have happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it's something you design for the present. Room for another photo mat, nice little piece of ephemera, and then coffee makes you happy. All right, then we have another closure with that beautiful feather paper. Lunch date, fill her up. And then this one where we have this coffee cup holding down this beautiful photo mat so we can throw some photos in here. And then that's all gonna hold our photos together. Wonderful, wonderful, because we see so much of the paper by doing those flip outs that we kind of made the theme of this album. Then this one doesn't have an insert because I only did 5 inserts, but we'll look at the embellishments as well. Come to me. All right. So we've got room for photo. We've got life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. Another one of those cute little ephemera bits. Another fashionista, and then all the memories captured. Okay. Some goodies in there. And then our last spike and loop closure is the hat. And then we have our Franken paper. We've always got to have some kind of Franken paper. And then open it up. We have this beautiful layout here with the butterfly and the woman silhouetted. So she's there and she's also graffiti. And then more room for photos to tuck back there. And of course you can still see her when the sides are folded in. And there we go. That is it, the Pouch-A-Lope album. And as you can see, it's still very narrow. There's still plenty of room to stick more photos in, more inserts, more photo wallets, however you want to decorate it to your own taste with whatever your style is. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you another time on Kathryn Scraps Live. Bye now.